The system of fear-based mind control, which we are all being subjected to, is destroying the two things we need more than anything: love and unity. Whether we're talking about divisive, popularized mainstream movements like Black Lives Matter or the new mask orders and all the fear porn surrounding the COVID pandemic, the bottom line is these things are designed to divide us and distract us from the very simple fact that we are all one. And the vast majority of people only want to belong, only want to love one another to get by. They don't want to hurt other people. They don't want to fight other people. Even if there is some racist tendency stuck inside them due to cultural conditioning, they don't act on it. We don't see gangs of blacks and whites fighting in the streets. We don't see, the overt racism, systemic racism. The overt racism is systemic. It's due to systems that are designed to oppress minorities, not due to the thoughts and feelings of the majority of the people in the population. The whole COVID situation, man. The other day I was at the grocery store and I saw a young couple that I'm friends with stuck wearing masks even though they don't believe in it, because they'll get a $750 fine if they go up in Jackson and their 2-year-old takes off her mask. So they were here at the local grocery store in Alpine training their 2-year-old daughter, beautiful little 2-year-old daughter, how to wear a mask in public. Social distancing, social isolation, these are literally the most corrosive and destructive things that can be baked into our society, and the divisive pro-mask agenda is doing exactly that. Okay, these masks don't protect us from COVID. They do limit our ability to breathe. They limit our intake of O2, and they keep us breathing our own waste products like CO2 in and out, getting concentrations of CO2 20 times normal in every breath we take. Concentrations of O2, oxygen, way lower than accepted safety standards. Think about it. What's that going to do to people? It puts us into a state of panic, fear, discomfort, exhaustion, dis-ease. The masks contribute to dis-ease, which is disease. And on top of that, they alienate us and divide us from those around us. When we can't see each other smiling, when we can't understand each other, when we can't read each other's lips, it eliminates some of the most basic foundational aspects of human interpersonal communications. Okay? The masks aren't going to save you. The mainstream media currently telling us that the rate of COVID infections is on the rise, but the rate of COVID deaths has been dropping. And other stories, other statistics that they're not spreading continuously in front of our faces show that way more people, perhaps 10, 15, even 20 times as many people have already caught the coronavirus and recovered from it with no serious symptoms. So the whole notion that these masks are going to protect us, that contact tracing is going to protect us, is utterly absurd. The only real solution is the solution that Sweden put forward, which is herd immunity. There's never been a successful vaccine against the coronavirus. The mainstream media tells us that just because you have antibodies doesn't mean you're immune to the coronavirus, but the vaccines they're pushing are literally designed to make you develop antibodies for the coronavirus. The emperor is wearing no clothes. The agenda makes no sense. The lies are blatantly obvious, and the truth always wins. The truth is, children are the most important aspect of our culture. The future is dependent upon how we raise the children. And if we're teaching the children to live in a state of constant fear and paranoia, the future is going to be fucked. One good thing about the coronavirus, though, we know children aren't that susceptible to it, and it doesn't kill children. It also doesn't kill the vast majority of people, and the average age of people who have died and have had coronavirus listed as their cause of death is approximately 80 years of age. Here in the United States, 43% of reported coronavirus deaths took place in nursing homes. Now we're being told that coronavirus cases are on the rise, but if you look at the actual statistics, coronavirus deaths are way down from the peak. And it's important to note, if we're talking about coronavirus cases and deaths, that the reporting standards being put forth by the CDC, the World Health Organization, and other corrupted government and intergovernmental and non-governmental agencies are completely fucked, okay? The medical establishment in this country, the medical insurance pharmaceutical complex, is one of the most disgusting and blatantly pseudoscientific cartels in the history of the planet. If they were really concerned about human health, if they were really concerned, the mainstream media, the government, the medical insurance pharmaceutical complex was really concerned about human health, they would let you know, they would highlight the literally thousands of things you can do to boost your overall health and immunity. Examples: adequate rest, healthy diet, exercise, herbal supplements, shut off those Wi-Fi and smartphones that are zapping you with unnatural electromagnetic frequencies with deleterious health impacts. And I can literally think of 995 other things you can do to boost your immune system. Get out in nature, laugh with a friend, meditate on health, focus on healing, embrace the placebo effect, right? Yoga. There are so many things you can do to boost your health, boost your immunity. Stay hydrated. There's another one. But you know what the mainstream media says? They say the way to stay healthy, the way to protect yourself from the coronavirus, is to wear a mask that decreases your ability to properly breathe and stay away from people. Live in constant fear and stress is the advice they give us. Well, we know that's total bullshit, my friends, because we all know that fear and stress are some of the most toxic and self-destructive things you can take into your body and make a part of yourself. What's the antidote? What's the solution? Well, my friends, it's love. It's self-love. It's love for your family, love for your friends, love for your significant other, and love for everybody, because we really and truly are all one. We're all in this together, and it's high time that we turn this shit around. I love all of you. I appreciate all of you, and I hope the best for you. I really do. Y'all take care. One love, and of course, peace!